Good afternoon to all UNTV Cup fans sa buong mundo. Nandito pa din po tayo ngayon sa Enara Sports Arena sa pagratsada ng second round eliminations ng UNTV Cup Season 4. At habang papalapit po tayo ng papalapit sa ating finals, pahigpit po ng pahigpit ang sagupaan dito sa nag-iisang liga ng mga public servants dahil bawat team aims for the victory para sa mas malaking may tutulong nila sa kanilang chosen beneficiary. At yan po ay advocacy ng UNTV Cup na konsepto, of course, ni Mr. Public Service Kuya Daniel Razon. At sa pagtatapos ng first round ng ating eliminations, silipin muna natin ating team standings. Sa Group A, nangunguna sa team standings ang PNP Responders na sinusundan naman ng NHA Builders, Malacanang Patriots at ng Senate Defenders. Lahat po sila ay may 3 wins and 2 losses. Sa Group B naman, unbeaten pa rin ang record ng Season 2 champs AFP Cavaliers na 5-0. Humabol naman ang BFP Firefighters na may 4 wins and 1 loss. Close behind ang MMDA Black Wolves na may 3 wins and 2 losses, habang ang defending champion Judiciary Magus naman ay may 2 wins and 3 losses. And this afternoon, we will now kick off our second round eliminations with another triple header na siguradong magpapayanig sa ating hardcourt. Alright, ito po sa ating first game. Matapos ang kanilang makapigil-hiningang victory over the PNP Responders, haharapin naman ng Senate Defenders, ang isa pang powerhouse team ng liga, ang mas pinalakas na BFP Firefighters. Sa second game naman, labanan naman ng run and gun plays ang aabangan sa hardcore showdown ng NHA Builders kontra MMDA Black Wolves. And our final game today, magkakahamunan naman ng puwersa sa ultimate face-off ng Malacanang Patriots kontra AFP Cavaliers. And I'm sure excited na kayong lahat. Let's get the game started. Ito na po, umpisa na ng ating game.
Good afternoon and welcome here at the Enara Sports Arena for the first of today's triple header. It's the Senate Defenders in the BFP Firefighters in the start of the second round eliminations of Season 4 of the UNTV Cup. Here are the protagonists. Let's welcome in first your Senate Defenders. Number 3, Christian Andaya. Number 5, Ronald Golding. Number 10, Warentine. Number 11, Carl Parawan. Number 13, Simon Aquino Valencia. Number 14, Marlon De Gaspi. Number 15, Lino Ong. Number 17, Arcangel Don. Number 19, Captain Marbel, Kenneth Duremdes. Number 25, Joe Garcia. Number 29, Ray Malaga. Number 30, Tata Marata. Number 31, Julius Roa. And number 34, Emmanuel Baltasar. Your head coach and playing coach is Kenneth Duremdes. Assistant coaches are Benji Navea, Attorney Rodelio Dasil, and Daniel Johnson. Now give it up for your BFP Firefighters. Number 0, Joselito Sunga. Number 3, Archie Andumag. Number 5, Ray Namia. Number 8, Alberto Marqueses. Number 10, Marlon Adolfo. Number 13, Kurt Amores. Number 15, Jay Gutierrez. Number 17, Chris Eusebio. Number 20, Ross Cartojano. Number 19, Robbie Centeno. Number 24, Julius Roa. Number 28, Roderick Marquez. Number 30, Richmond Sibal. And number 31, Jonathan Egea. Your head coach is Mon Garcia. Assistant coach is Brian Berocho. Team manager is Major Noel Gagala. Both teams please meet at center court for the traditional sportsmanship handshake. Let's first meet the starting 5 of your Senate Defenders. At guard number 3, Christian Andaya. The other guard number 29, Ray Malaga. At center number 14, Marlon De Gaspi. At forward number 19, Kenneth Duremdes. In the other forward number 34, Emmanuel Baltasar. Here now is the starting lineup of your BFP Firefighters. At guard number 31, Jonathan Egea. The other guard number 24, Julius Hayona. At center number 10, Marlon Adolfo. At forward number 20, Ross Cartujano. In the other forward, number 5, Ray Namia. Officiating this ball game are Ariel Bermeo, Alan Manzano, and Andy Espiritu. UNTV Cup, ang Liga ng Public Servants.
At habang panipis na po ang mga natitirang laro sa ating elimination round, makikita natin ang mga kapunan are starting to separate. They talk about the contenders from the pretenders. At ang kapunan ng Senate Defenders ay may tuturing natin na isang contender, lalong-lalo na sa bigat ng kanilang huling panalo. That buzzer beater made by Kenneth Durendes to lift his team to a 3-2 win-loss card tied with TNP and NHA. Pero pakinggan muna natin si Binibini na, Aling Reyna pa.
Hi, Coach Ronnie. Ito nga kasama natin si Coach Ramon Garcia ng BFP Firefighters. Gusto kong malaman kung paano sila nag-prepare kasi nga mag-merge ng ating Group A at Group B para sa ating second round of eliminations.
We just told the team na to focus on more on our half-court offense kasi actually we're known for our past big games, no? So I told them na we nag-secure na kami ng mga bagong plays during the break.
This is going to be a battle between the young team and a more experienced team. Paano nyo pinaghandaan itong experienced na Senado?
Yeah, I just told them to be aggressive, then challenge all the shots, then play it smart.
Kompleto po ba ang lineup ng BFP for today?
We have only 2 players who are absent today. Cannot make it. One is in Japan for work-related also. And actually, two of them, work-related din.
Sino po sila?
Sa Captain Marquez and General Ferrer.
And maraming salamat and good luck for today's ballgame, Coach Ramon Garcia ng BFP Firefighters. Coach Ronnie Magsano.
Thank you, Rina. Kompleto, ha? Ikaw talaga, ha? Ikaw na una, ha? Right now, the Firefighters on top by 4 points. Ang Firefighters, pagkatapos ng elimination round ay nasa 4-1 win-loss card. Of course, mabigat ang kanilang reinforcement na si Marlon Adolfo, pero nakikita ko talaga rito yung bigat ng preparasyon na ginawa ni Coach Garcia para sa kanyang koponan, not only to be a good offensive team, but more importantly, a solid defensive unit. The defenders taking that ball away. Andaya pushes the basketball ahead. 17 on the shot clock. Poste tayo. Working his way inside, scoring the first 2 points of the Senate Defenders. Firefighters, lamang ng 2 puntos here in the first quarter. Almost 2 minutes gone here in the second. Ito po si Ronnie Magsano at kasama po natin ngayon si Coach Javi Nunag. Tayo po hindi nakapaglaro last week dahil sa APEC, pero dito sa pagpasok ng linggong ito, bago mag-Disyembre, Coach Javi, magkakasubukan itong Senate Defenders at ang BFP Firefighters. Turnover ng Senate Defenders. 2 pa rin ang kanilang tangkang habulin. Adolfo starting out this game for the Firefighters. Ijaya yung napakahusay na gwardiya para dito sa Black Shirts. Atake sa zona ng Firefighters pero hindi tatawid.
Ganda sana ang tira nun galing sa corner. Silang namintis. Bola tuloy ng Senate. 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining dito sa unang quarter.
Panay ang pressure dito ng Firefighters trying to take away yung execution ng Senate Defenders. Kenneth Durendes. Head fake. Finishes going to his right. And then a stare down.
Ganda ang pwesto ni Captain Marbellon. Kaya naman siya nakakuha ng end-one situation na nasa likod ang kanyang depensa. At maganda ang footwork. 2 points para kay Captain Marbel.
At walang duda na si Captain Marbel ang isa sa mga susi dito sa koponan ng Senate Defenders. And in the nick of time, he scored that winning basket. Yung tira niya dun sa kanilang huling laro that enabled them to finish the elimination round with a 3-2 win-loss card. At ngayon, Yung mga nagtapos sa Group A, lahat 3-2. Samantalang sa Group B, AFP 5-0, BFP 4-1, MMDA 3-2, Judiciary making it, also ending up with a 2-3 win-loss record.
3 points yun si
Malaga.
Hayona, Coach Ronnie.
Oho.
Napakaganda ng ball movement na pinakita ng mga Firefighters noon. So fast break opportunity at makatatawagan ng foul itong si Marlon Legaspi. Napakaganda ng atake noon at that time around. Defense turning into offense. Foul lang ni Marlon Legaspi. 6 minutes remaining and 31 seconds dito sa first quarter. Lamang po ang Firefighters ng dalawa, 7-5.
Not a shooting foul given up by Legaspi. Good break for the defenders. Higuera attempting another 3 pero this time a little too strong. 15 on the clock, Baltazar. Post entry dito kay Kenneth Durendes. Legaspi weak side flash, humihingi ng traveling ng Firefighters. Hindi na itawag. Higuera running the break. Once again, yan ang lakas na laging buhos ng Firefighters.
Andan ang fast break doon ng Firefighters. 3 against 1. Passing the ball in the nick of time. 2 points para sa Black Shirts.
At ito yung ginamit na point of attack ng Senate defenders. Their last game against PNP, posting up Kenneth Durendes every time he had an opportunity. But in this time, that's good post defense. Laban kay Captain Marbel as Tata Marata prepares to come in for the first time in this contest. 2-3 zone ng defenders. Sinubukan basagin ni Cartujano pero short yung kanyang tira. Attorney Nasil, sabi, bigay yung bola sa loob. So kung hindi si Baltazar, si Legaspi, si Kenneth Durendes ang poposte doon sa loob for the defenders.
Talaga ang advantage ng Senate defenders. They know that they have the advantage inside. Kaya naman talagang pinupuntahan nila kung hindi man si Baltazar, Marlon Legaspi at saka si Kenneth.
Si Tata Marata, iambag mo pa dyan. Sumalit na ng Firefighters, taking that ball away once again. Excellent pass by Namia. First 2 points para dito kay Marlon Adolfo.
Yan ang nangyayari ngayon sa Firefighters. Defense turning into offense. Sinisimulan nilang napakagandang depensa, translating into a fast break opportunity para sa kanila.
Durendes naghanap ng isang second chance. Defense of the Firefighters just taking away the rhythm ng Senate defenders.
At so far, so good para dito sa Black Shirts. They are really pressuring and trying to disrupt yung rhythm ng offense ng White Shirts.
Bayona leading the way with 5 points for the Black Shirts. Namia sumablay from the short corner. Namia with a total of 4 points. Legaspi once again, interior entry to Baltazar. Weak side, put back ni Kenneth Durendes. That's automatic for Kenneth Durendes.
Talaga ang problema ng zone, you are susceptible to offensive rebounds. Yan na naman si Kenneth Durendes. Offensive rebound and putback para kay number 19.
5 in the game for Kenneth Durendes. 5 in the game likewise for Marlon Adolfo. 7-point lead, Firefighters.
Left to right ball movement resulting into a wide open shot for Marlon Adolfo. Naman po ng 7 ang Firefighters, 14-7.
Once again, Baltazar trying to pound that ball inside. Halos patapos na po tayo sa buwan ng Nobyembre. Pero yung UNTV Cup Court Conference continues to roll along. Judiciary, muntik nang hindi makarating sa susunod na pahina. Ating 2-time champions ay muling susubok na may alsa ang kanilang kinakatayuan. Ang PNP, pipilitin namang makakuha ng kanilang unang kampyonato. Samantalang ang koponan ng AP Cavaliers ay tahimik. Dahil hanggang ngayon wala pa rin silang bahid ng pagkatalo. Durendes will go to the line for 2 free throws.
Mahirap talaga, Coach Ronnie, pag nasa likod ka ni Kenneth Durendes. Napakaganda ng pwesto na kinukuha ni Captain Marbel. Nakakakuha siya ng magandang pwesto dahil napupunta sa likod ang kanyang defender. 2 free throws na naman para dito kay Kenneth Durendes.
6 of 13 ang Firefighters from the field. 3 of 9 naman ang defenders. Turnovers ng defenders, meron ng kabuuang 4. And that has given the Firefighters more possessions at the basket. Amores coming in for Cartuhano. Parang Bruce Brothers siya. 2015 edition for BFP. Si Adolfo, laki na ng pinayat. Bukol-bukol na rin ang balikat. Nigeria, 9 on the clock. Ball screen, Adolfo, nakatanggap ng kick-out pass. Knows what to
Mainit.
do.
Mainit.
Shot clock is winding down. 8 for Adolfo.
Mainit ang number 10 ngayon, si Marlon Adolfo para sa Firefighters. Lumiliyab ang kanyang kamay at binigyan ng 9 na puntos ang kalamangan ng BFP.
Big side flush by Kenneth Durendes. Taken away. Turnover number 5 for the White Shirts. 5-on-3 sa transition. Offensive rebound for Centeno. Adolfo says, let's reset. Pero 14 lang ang reset right now. The reset says it's only 3. Centeno will hit just the backboard. Baltazar with the leak out. And Centeno will give up an N1 opportunity.
Nagsimula yun sa outlet pass na binigay ni Kenneth Durendes. Nakita itong si Baltazar leaking out on that play. Good rebound, good forward pass, and N1 opportunity para kay Emmanuel Baltazar.
$17-10 for the Firefighters. Malasa na naman ang bola sa tuktok. Nigeria trying to break the defense down. Extra pass. Now Firefighters will go to the line also for 2 free throws.
Makaharap ka sa isang zona, one ploy para mabiyak ang zona is to dribble, penetrate, and to kick it out to your teammates. Yan ang ginawa ni Jaya kanina. At to si Centenio will troop to the line for 2 free throws.
Two of 4 are the defenders of the free throw line. Ito namang BFP. 0 of 2. Bola mapupunta uli kila Adolfo. Free throws are no problem for the defenders, but the three ball is also not a problem for Marlon Adolfo. Lamang ng 10 ang Firefighters laban sa Senate defenders. Lamang pa rin ng 10 ang Firefighters. Let's see kung anong adjustments dito defensively for the Senate defenders, Coach Javi. Because right now, itong si
Marlon Adolfo
has
saling
completely
lumiliyab.
destroyed their defense.
3 out of 3 from the 3-point area. 11 points all in all. Itong si Marlon Adolfo leading the way para dito sa Firefighters. Adjustment period ngayon ng Senate defenders. Pinasok po si Lino Ong for more height. Tingnan natin kung mangyayari ito.
Sablay na naman ng defenders pero tama ang ginawa ni Kenneth Durendes. Hindi tumigil maglaro. Shot clock.
Yes.
Pumutok na pero nakakuha ulit ni Kenneth yung bola. And Kenneth with another correct decision here, which is to take away that reverse layup para dito sa Firefighters.
At doble kayod nga ito si Captain Marvel nga, not only doing it in the offensive end, pati sa defensive side of the ball. At nakikita naman po natin, nagtatrabaho talaga itong si Captain Marvel as Tata Marata fishes a foul against Marlon Adolfo. At makapunta sa free throw line itong si Tata Marata, dating Fighting Maroon, number 30. At he will troop to the line for 2 free throws.
Si Tata Marata rin ang father ni Sam Marata. Once upon a time played in the PBA.
Also a Fighting Maroon na galing sa Lasal. Nag-Petron din si...
Lasal nga pala si Sam Marata.
Naglasal muna si Sam. RP Youth member.
Oo, si Marlon Adolfo naman naglaro sa FEU Tamaraos. na ngayon ay nasa UAAP Finals. Alam ko, inabot ni Marlon Adolfo sila Arvin Santos eh. Tama ba?
Subukan natin kausapin.
Mamaya na pagkatapos. Kasi mainit pa siya.
Humiliyab.
Oo, 4-0 run for the defenders. Anchored on Kenneth Duremdes. Amores, short corner shot.
Nice jab step to create space for himself. 2 points para kay Amores. Another 8-point lead for the Firefighters. Difficult to defend Kenneth Duremdes one-on-one. More help is needed for the Firefighters. Pero si Adolfo missing his first shot from the 3-point area. But matatawagan si Tata Marata ng foul. Buti na lang. At pupunta yung bola ulit sa Firefighters with a fresh shot clock.
And this is a shootout between Duremdes and Marlon Adolfo. Go Chabi. 10 for Captain Martel. 11 for Captain Marlon. Adolfo baseline out of bounds. Play. Nako play. Sibal. Nakasilip. Tata Marata. Matatawagan ng foul.
Dinaan sa sipag. Itong si ni Sibal. Itong kanyang offensive rebound. That time around. Foul ulit siya ni Tata Marata. 14 seconds remaining in the shot clock. 49 seconds na lang natitira dito sa first quarter.
Centeno versus Tata Marata. Excellent fake, but called for steps. An even better closeout on the part of Captain Marbel.
Gustong bumingwit ng foul itong si Marlon Adolfo. Napatalon niya itong si Kenneth Duremdes. So, shuffle defeat, violation para sa kanya.
Tres pinakawalan ni Marlon Legaspi. Atakbo rito ang Firefighters. And Igea is playing like Mike Conley, Coach Henry.
Jason Castro.
Pwede.
Pero ang nangyayari ngayon para sa Firefighters, humidepensa sila ng husto. Pagkatapos, lang nila makuha yung bola, rumarat-rat na. Walang di nagdadalawang isip. A lot of early shots and a lot of transition attacks coming from the Black Shirts. Samantalang itong Senate settling for the outside shot except for Captain Marbel who has been working hard, doubly hard in this game. Kenneth Duremdes in this game already with 10 points. But his team is still down by 6. Madadagdagan pa kaya ni Igea who missed his first free throw.
Igea has been very busy sa kanyang quarterbacking. Husay magtimon, sipag dumipensa at siyang piloto ng running game ng Firefighters. Skip pass ni Roa. Delikadong pasa. Tata Marata trying to clear space. Sibal will commit his turnover. Tata Marata swinging the basketball away from harm's way. And that will be 2 free throws for the defenders.
Penalty situation na dahil over the limit na po itong Firefighters. Sayang opportunity danon ng Firefighters dun sa fast break. Tata Marata not giving up on that play. Got that steal and will troop to the line for 2 free throws.
Tata Marata, a part of this offensive arsenal ng kapunan ni Coach Kenneth Duremdes. Dati kasama rin nila si Coach Saldi Rielbit dyan sa think tank nila Coach Attorney Dasil. And this is a much better team compared to the team that played sa kanilang unang conference of our UNTV Cup. Tata Marata getting a breather. Under 3 seconds left ang natitira dito sa ating unang quarter. And that's the way it's going to end. The Firefighters will be on top by 5 points versus the Senate Defenders 22-17 to end the first quarter. Right now, the 10-point lead has been sliced to only 5. As the defenders finish off the first quarter with a 7-2 run. Kel Durentes still inside together with Marlon Legaspi and Baltazar. Malaga likewise in the fray together with Antaya. But Marlon Adolfo says 3 is always better than 2.
Maapoy talaga itong si Marlon Adolfo.
Nako, firefighters ang kalaban, Coach Abby.
Maapoy, lumiliyap
Nako.
ang kanyang mga kamay. At that was his 4th 3-point shot of the game as they have been dominating this game so far. Marlon Adolfo, 14 points. 4 out of 6 from the 3-point area, 5 out of 9 all in all. He has been leading the way for the Firefighters, and it has been a total team effort led by number 10.
Reina, what do you have for us here in the second quarter?
Yes, before the start of this game, Coach Ronnie, nakausap ko nga si Coach Kenneth Durandez at kwento niya nga sa akin kakababalik lang daw niya sa Manila this morning after a 2-day visit in Cotabato. For the reason na kasama siya nag-campaign kay Secretary Joel Villanueva dun sa kanyang Shoot for Peace. Nakasama niya rin doon sila Jerry Cordillera and Marlo Aquino. And because of that, he's coming to today's ball game with both swollen knees at may right ankle sprain din si Kenneth Durandez for the reason na sementado daw yung kanilang playing venue in Cotabato. And for today's ball game, wala rin sa kanila si Senator Sonny Angara because busy din siya dun sa kanilang budget hearing sa Senado. Coach Ronnie, Coach Javi.
Alam ko si Sec Joel Villanueva ay tumatakbo para sa Senado, Coach Abby.
Okay.
Alam naman natin si Sec Joel ay naglaro para sa Malacanang.
Lot of frustration right now sa laro ng Senate Defenders, Coach Ronnie, as yes, they have the advantage inside, pero yung mga tutukan na tira, namimintis nila as Baltazar misses his first free throw.
Pero kailangan maintindihan ng Firefighters. Delikado kalaban ng Senate Defenders.
Yes.
Dahil marunong talaga manalo, lalong-lalo na pagdating sa dulo.
Remember, 4 na quarter po ang basketball. Walang nananalo sa first half. Yes, this is a good start by the Firefighters. But then again, you have to be consistent up till the last buzzer in the 4th quarter. So, good start, but they have to have a better finish and avoid mistakes just like that.
Ganda ng agaw ni Endaya ron. Another steal by Malaga. Scramble here for the Firefighters. Sibal. They called for another traveling violation.
Ang gigil. Gigil to si Sibal knowing that they had a 2-on-1 advantage on the other end. Natawagan ng traveling. Bola mapupunta sa Senate. 8 minutes and 40 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. Right now, it has been a total team effort, not only the offensive end, but the defensive end. The zone has been well for the Firefighters. It has been a active zone, pressuring all the way. And one of the reasons why they have an 8-point lead.
Alam mo, Coach Abby, doon kalaban nila yung PNP responders. Tinao-tao nila yan din sa dulo. At doon na sorpresa ang PNP dahil maski mas bata sila at mas matutulin, eh talagang nilabanan sila nila Kenneth ng man-to-man defense. And eventually, naka-overtake sila pagdating dun sa dulo. At sumakit ang ulo ni Captain Marbel.
Lumik
Dahil
out
sa
kasi
yung-
si Captain Marbel.
Pero yung
eh.
pasa kasi ay palayo sa basket instead of the pass going towards the rim. Turnover na naman at yan, kung di ako nagkakamali, ay pang-7. Natapo na bola na ng Senate Defenders. Mid-range shot missed by Gutierrez. Legaspi with the basketball. Kick out dito kay Kenneth Durandez. Post pass once again to Marlon Legaspi with 10 on the shot clock. Kick out pass. Way too wide. Turnover number 8 para sa defenders.
Again, nagiging problema ang depensa para sa Senate Defenders. Ang napakaganda, napaka-aktibo ng depensa ng Firefighters in this game so far, and it has caused a lot of problems for the Senate Defenders.
Coaches are not just mentors. Coaches are problem solvers. And in the course of the game, dito lumalabas yung pagiging problem solver sa mga coaches in making the necessary adjustments both on offense and on defense. Another takeaway At maganda yung ginagawa nila Hayona dito kay Kenneth Durendes doon sa loob. And to think that Kenneth has already scored 10 of the first 17 of the Senate defenders.
Ma-adjust na sila, Coach Ronnie. They're fronting. Pina-front na tong si Kenneth Durendes. Nasa harap na sila. Alam nila kasi may kakampi sila sa likod nila para tumulong. At ngayon, nagiging problema ngayon ofensiba ng Senate because back-to-back turnovers para sa kanila.
This time Gutierrez back rims his mid-range attempt. Hayona with the side step. Marata cross-court pass to Kenneth Durendes, and again another turnover for the defenders. Turnover number 9 for the white shirts.
And turnover number 4 here in the second quarter. Coach Ronnie,
Unforced, ha?
mataas, mababa, behind the man ang mga pasa ng ngayon
Sobra.
ng Senate defenders. At they really have not found their groove here in this game. But the firefighters as well, Coach Ronnie, nagiging blanco na rin sa opensiba nila.
Problema naman ng firefighters, Coach Javi. Walang tumatama sa labas, maliban kay Marlon Adolfo. Natama rata against Adolfo. Hook pass to Marlon Legaspi. Tinawin yung kanyang defender. Nice pirouette.
Yes, by
Using
the
the back.
former PBL MVP, si Marlon Legaspi. Marlon Adolfo naman para sa firefighters. Pang-5 puntos na galing sa 3-point area. Continuously being hot itong si Marlon Adolfo in this game.
Tumunog ang fire alarm dito, ha? Laban kay Marlon Adolfo, sobrang init, nagbabaga. Parang si Gary David. Malaga against Adolfo, but Hayona will be called for a reaching in foul on Captain Marbel.
Adolfo in this game, Coach Johnny, 6 out of 10 from the field. 5 out of 7 from the 3-point area. 17 points. 71% sa 3-point area. Mala
Wow.
Steph Curry na yan.
Talas. Kenneth Durendes once again using his vast experience to get into the heart of the defense. Kenneth Durendes,
Oh!
12 na.
Sayang yan para sa DFP at nakita ni Igea kanyang kakampi open, so namintis ang tutukan. Na masakit sa foul line para sa firefighters. 5 minutes and 27 seconds remain in the second quarter. They are now in team penalty. So from here on in, dito sa second quarter, team penalty na po ang firefighters. At Baltasar struggling today in the free throw area. He has not scored. 0 out of 4. First score of the ball game para kay Baltasar from the free throw area.
This was the exact situation in the first quarter na kung saan over the limit ang firefighters, giving itong defenders a lot of free throws. And finally, Adolfo
Because
gets
of their
them from-
pressure defense, Coach Ronnie,
Tama.
they are really active. At nakakakuha sila ng maraming fouls. But that time around, nabutas ang kanilang depensa. 2 points para sa defenders.
First 2 points of Malaga coming in as we have reached the halfway mark of the second. Gea breaking the defense down. Artojano out of control. 5-on-3 situation. Kenneth with that nice and exact lob pass doon kay Baltasar sa loob. That's the way to give it to an
Yes.
open teammate, sabi ni Captain Marbel.
Ang pasa ay ilalagay mo sa papunta. Hindi sa player, yung sa mo gusto pumunta yung player. That time around, a nice pass. But then again, another missed free throw shot by Baltasar. 1 out of 6 in this game.
Oh my. And 6 of the 7 misses of the firefighters have come from Baltasar. Make that 7 of 8.
1 out of 7. Traveling violation para kay Marlon Legaspi. Sayang yun at nakakuha na niya yung offensive rebound off the missed free throw by Baltasar.
Yan ang sitwasyon, Coach Abby. 11 turnovers ang defenders pero 17 rebounds sila. And that dissolves yung kanilang tapon ng bola sa kanilang pagdomina. ng rebounds.
Nakikita naman natin ang ball movement. Napakagandang pasahan ngayon na pinapakita ng black shirts. Pressure defense on again for the Firefighters.
Ang hirap din lusutan itong Firefighters dahil mabibilis. Mga bata pa.
Maganda ng kondisyon. Aktibo.
That's 3 seconds.
At hindi takot makipagbanggaan, Coach Ronnie. So,
Hindi na. Dati ano pa sila parang adapt. Naninibago, nahihiya. Pero ngayon, buwis buhay na maglaro. Sibal getting that kick
nice
out pass.
pass.
That's
Nice
4 straight
pass.
points for
Beautiful,
Cartojano.
beautiful basketball by the Firefighters that time around. Almost a steal. But ang daming nakakahawak ng bola para sa Firefighters. And the Senate Defenders will seize 4 time.
The heat is on a Thursday afternoon as both of these teams are aiming for an important win that could improve their chances of landing in the top 2 spots. Alam naman natin, Coach Abby, yung top 2 teams already would make it to the semifinals. Samantalang yung 3, 4, 5, and 6 will meet in a knockout affair for the chance to eventually make it to the Final 4. Kaya ganyan na lang ang pagpupukan ngayon ng ating mga koponan.
14 seconds remaining in the shot clock of the Senate Defenders as they are down 11 points with 3 minutes and 33 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Rendes will not hesitate, but he's long on that 3. Excellent timing coming from Malaga.
From a 4 versus 1 advantage to 4 versus 0 disadvantage para sa Senate. Malaga with a timely steal, saving the day, cutting down the lead to 9 points.
Cartojano blocked by Marlon Legaspi. Baltasar recovers.
Oh!
Jaya clears out that mess. Cleans up that mess rather. Jaya bounce pass to Adolfo. Adolfo, 19 first half points.
Picture perfect basketball once again. 1 dribble, 2 passes, fast break opportunity for the Firefighters as Marlon Legaspi trying to hold his own for the Senate Defenders, still cutting the lead to 8 points.
First 3-point basket para dito sa Senate Defenders. They're still behind by 8. Tamarata, Marlon Adolfo getting tangled up. Double foul may tatawag.
Double foul number 30, Tamarata. And on number 10, Juan Adolfo.
2 players will be joining the fray for the defenders. Heavy minutes here in the first half for Captain Marbel, Baltazar, and Malaga.
Resulting in a young ball possession for the Senate Defenders.
To be a jump ball situation. Pero ang possessionaro ay mapupunta sa kupunan ng defenders. Sorry, hindi jump ball. Double foul, possessionaro goes to the defenders. Two and a half minutes here in the second quarter. Marlon Legaspi, 20 on the shot clock. Binigay yung bola sa loob. Dito kay Golding. Golding second chance. Asking for a foul.
The depensa pinakita again ng Firefighters that time around. Just standing their ground, putting their hands up.
That'll be 2 free throws. Holding foul. What's on the Firefighters? Free throws number 15 and 16 coming up for the defenders. Unfortunately, they've only been able to pump in 6 points from the line. 6 of 15 right now. That's even below 42%.
Back-to-back misses for Tata Marata. 3 out of 5 in this game.
Sakit yan.
Free throws.
Ilan ang sinablay nila, Coach Andy? Siya?
Siyam, Coach Ronnie.
Ilan ang lamang ng
Pag,
kalaban?
pag
Walo.
when you add them up, might be little, but if you add them up, it's going to be a big thing, especially going into the fourth quarter.
Maraming lamok dun sa loob, Coach Abby. Pak. Palo
Hindi
dito.
lang sa balikat, pati
Oo.
sa mukha, nagkaroon ng lamok eh.
Mabuti mabait itong si Gentle Giant na si Amores, who smiles off as if he was just trying to shrug off those.
Si Kurt Amores,
Contacts.
itong si Sibal, pati na rin si Marlon Adolfo, they have been working hard in the offensive rebound, the rebounding department for the Firefighters.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow. Nagulat ako una dahil dalawa sinablay. Ni Amores on the line. I just wanted to emphasize that both teams have only shot a combined 7 of 21. Pero matatawagan ng sportsman-like foul si Captain Marber, Coach Abby. At kung titingnan natin yung nangyari, makikita natin yung contact after the second missed free throw.
oh,
Definitely unsportsmanlike foul. But the question is, yung intent to harm. Because that sequence happened when that ball was already out of the hands of Sibal. Kenneth Durandez will be ejected from this
yes,
contest,
out
Coach
of the
Abby.
playing court. Definitely above the shoulder ang tama with intent to hurt.
So ang tinamaan, hindi si Sibal, kundi si Cabais.
Kabais.
Tingnan natin kung makikita natin ulit, Coach Abby. Blackout si Cabais.
Oh,
Kenneth apologizes to the bench of the Firefighters. Right now, Coach Lino Ong, Attorney Dasil, trying to regroup the defenders. Pero sabi ng ating game official, kailangan mag-clear sila ron dahil may titira ng
may titira
Dalawang
ng
free throws.
dalawang free throw plus ball possession mapupunta sa Firefighters. It's been a frustrating game so far for the Senate defenders because of the active, physical
sayang. Ganda pa naman ang laro ni
defense.
Kenneth.
Yes.
Oh. 12
Grab.
points, has only missed thrice from the field.
The defense has been the problem for the Senate defenders. A lot of active hands, a lot of physical play here in today's game. And the Firefighters have been making their free throws. Cabayas making 2 out of 2 out of that free the free throw area. Has an 11-point lead right now for the Firefighters. 1 minute and 45 seconds, but a lot of basketball left. Traveling violation by Sibal. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining here in the first half.
18 second quarter points for the Black Shirts versus 12 points in the second period for the Senate defenders. Gamble, Amores, Baltasar checked by
Nice
Sibal.
block.
Adolfo looking for a friend. Igea. The officials have to be really sure that they keep this game in control.
Penalty situation na rin ang Senate defenders. As hinawakan itong si Golding, si Marlon Adolfo. You can see the replay. Nakapasa na bola pero hindi pa rin tumigil itong si Golding sa paghahawak kay Adolfo. Kaya
Marami rin lamok.
Hindi na makatine. Makatine yung shoulder.
Oo.
Makatine yung balikat ni Marlon Adolfo. Hindi kailangan ikatine.
Pero kagandahan sa Firefighters, hindi sila gumagante, hindi sila napipikon.
And that
They
has
are
been
still ahead by 11.
Yes, and that has been the key for them for their success here in the first half. They have been playing physical, pero pag silang pinisikal, hindi naman sila nagagalit, hindi sila napipikon. And flagrant foul ang tinawag, Coach Ronnie. So 2 free throws plus ball possession.
Kasi not going for the ball, Coach Abby. Maliwanag
Di ba?
yun. Oo. Kasi ang lamok wala sa mukha.
Wala sa bola.
Wala sa... Adolfo rarely missed in the first quarter.
20 points na, Coach Ronnie. Halos kalahati pala, ng puntos ng Firefighters nang gagaling kay Marlon Adolfo.
Andumang checking in for Captain Marlon. As Captain Marbeles checked out of this game permanently after being called for a disqualifying foul. As he elbowed si Cabayes kanina. Sibal with an air ball para sa Firefighters. Ganda ng transition defense ng Black Shirts. Sprinting down quickly. Cabayes defending Garcia at the top. Garcia nowhere to go.
3 seconds violation.
Ganda sana ng backdoor cut ni Marlon Legaspi pero may nangitlog doon sa loob para sa defenders. Usay magtimo ni Igea, Coach Adi. Ganda, terno, pati shoes. Bad pass coming from Cabayes. Malaga will push the basketball. Baltazar, once again, like a battering ram. Reminds me so much of a Noli Locsin when he tries to hammer his way to the basket.
There's one thing that the Firefighters need to improve on in the second half. It has to be controlling their fouls. They have been in the penalty situation rather, early part of the 2 quarters that we have played. But ang kagandahan naman nun, nagbimintis sa free throw itong defenders.
Si Sibal ang missing link sa opensa rito ng Firefighters. There's been listless and once again turns the ball over. Legaspi will go to the line. That's a good foul given up by Igea. As Marlon Legaspi has only shot. Wala pa pala for Marlon Legaspi. Ang 1 of 9 ay si Baltazar. Pwede palang double digits na production ni Baltazar, ano?
But even Marlon Legaspi, a former PBL MVP, missing in the free throw area.
Saan siya nag-MVP, Coach Happy?
Blue detergent.
PBL, no?
PBL.
2 misses from the line. Amores, the defensive rebound. Cabayes recognizing they want to go for the last shot. Cabayes says no. I'm open. Baltazar will be called for that nudge.
No, it is Mores, Coach Ronnie.
Nako, masakit yan.
Mores. It's his third personal foul. As 4 seconds na lang natitira. Mapupunta ulit sa free throw ang Senate defenders. They have been struggling mightily here in the first half.
Nilobo na ni Malaga. Para sigurado. Under 5 seconds left. Here in the first half. 12-2 from the line is Malaga. Still behind by 10. May oras pa para kay Amores. Pero wala na para kay Cabayes. And Coach Javi, lamang pa rin ang 10 dito. Ang kupunan ng Firefighters laban sa Senate Defenders. At siya po ang pagtatapos ng first half. At ipapasa po muna natin kay Ryan pagkatapos ng second quarter.
And there we have it for the first half of our first game today, ang sagupan ng Senate Defenders kontra BFP Firefighters. At habang nasa halftime break tayo, kilalanin naman natin ang reputable personalities na kaisa natin sa UNTV Cup. This time, let's get up close and personal with Captain Roderick Marquez of the BFP Firefighters here in Heart of a Champion.
Number 28, Roderick Marquez.
Taong 1996 nagsimula sa pagsiservisyo sa Bureau of Fire Protection ang point guard ng BFP Firefighters na si Captain Roderick Marquez.
Total number of years ko sa Bureau of Fire Protection is 19 years. At ako'y isa na ngayong Municipal Fire Marshal sa Bulacan, sa Kalumpit presently. At sa Bulacan, nang ako'y mapunta noong 2008, 3 bayan yung aking nahawakan dyan bilang Municipal Fire Marshal. So ayan ang Bukawi, Pulilan, at yung pinakahuli nga ngayon, presently yung Kalumbi. Nagre-responde rin ako sa sunog kasi konti ang tao sa station, so kailangan nandun ang fire marshal pagka mayroong fire incident. So para makita niya yung sitwasyon at makagalaw ng maayos ang kanyang mga tauhan at malaman kung ano pang mga kinakailangan, tulong sa ibang mga bayan.
Hindi man siya naging varsity player noong college, ay nagprosigid pa din siya sa kanyang paboritong sport.
Naglalaro ako ng basketball since high school. Sa court lang na baka-bakanting lote lang, nilalaroan natin. Yung mga sports fest, nakapaglaro tayo. Sa barangay, naglalaro tayo. And then sa bureau nga, nung makapasok tayo, ang Bureau of Fire Protection kasi mayroong activities para sa mga bumbero, yung sports fest. Ito yung para sa physical fitness ng ating mga kabumberohan. Kasama rin dyan yung mga non-uniform personnel natin.
Kaya naman naging malaking pagkakataon kay Roderick ang pakikiisa ng BFP sa Liga ng Public Servants, ang UNTV Cup.
Roderick Marquez.
Kuya Daniel Rason sa kanyang napakagandang ideya na magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng palaro para sa mga empleyado ng gobyerno. Talagang hanga ako sa kanyang adhikain na ito ay makatulong sa iba pang mga tao. Bukod doon ay nagiging physical fit din ang mga bumbero. Yung ating pakikipag-ugnayan sa ibang mga ahensya na kasali dito ay mas lalong gumanda rin.
Si Captain Roderick Marquez, ang Bulacan Municipal Fire Marshal na may heart of a champion. And with the public service advocacy ng UNTV Cup na sinusuportahan ng bawat koponang bumubuo sa liga, ang pakikiisa ng bawat player gaya ni Captain Roderick Marquez already makes them a champion in our hearts. And for the meantime, we will now pause for a short break. Huwag po kayong alis. Magbabalik po ang UNTV Cup. Welcome back po sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan na nakatutok pa rin dito sa UNTV Cup. And at this point, nakahanda na pong sumabak sa second half ang ating mga kaponan to finish off this game. Ang paghaharap ng Senate Defenders kontra PFP Firefighters. Back to Coach Ronnie and Coach Javi.
Salamat Kakulay. Ganyan kaming mga tisoy. Salamat Ryan. And of course, after the first half, patuloy pa rin ang kalamangan na hawak ng Firefighters. Coach Javi, ang double na problema para sa defenders, wala na nga si Captain Marbel sa kanilang hanay.
Ejected in the second quarter itong si Captain Marbel because of the flagrant foul that he committed. At nakikita naman natin this in the first half, it has been the defense of the Firefighters really anchoring their offense, and they have been very active, physical, at talagang binubulabog itong mga Senate defenders. They have forced 16 turnovers
Nako.
dito sa Senate, at ang masama dito, ang Senate defenders, pag nafa-foul sila pupunta sa free throw line, they're only 38%,
Nako.
Coach Ronnie. 8 out of 21 in the first half. So a lot of things that they need to work on. But the good thing though is first half pa lang yun, Coach Ronnie. A lot of basketball left for the Senate defenders to recover and to get back at this ball game.
So turning the ball over, not shooting from the free throw line that well, and parang naputulan sila ng isang pa dahil wala na rin si Captain Marbel, lalong-lalo na sa huling dalawang quarters. Pero tignan natin kung makabangon ba at makabawi ang Senate defenders because they are behind right now by 10 points. At abangan natin sa pagpasok ng third quarter kung muling makakabawan ng Senate defenders o mag-go all the way na ba itong kupunan ng BFP Firefighters. Two-man game, Legaspi and Endaya. And Sibal will be called for another foul. Para sa Firefighters, Coach Javi, importante hindi sila ma-over the limit. Ito na lang ang ginagatasan sa kanila ng Firefighters, ng Senate Defenders.
Kailangan natin bigyan pansin, Coach Ronnie. Etong si Marlon Adolfo, he has scored half of the points of the Firefighters. As we can see, Baltasar with a good start here in the second half for the defenders, scoring.
Sibal looking to get on track. Sibal para sa kupunan ng Firefighters, 0-3 in the first half. And we know that he is a double-digit scorer, even a double-double performer in terms of points and rebounds. But so far here today, talagang hindi niya makuha yung kanyang kamada.
As he misses another free throw, Coach Ronnie. At papunta ulit tayo kay Marlon Adolfo. He has been vital cause for the Firefighters. 20 points, 5 out of 7 from the 3-point area. Tingnan natin kung tuloy-tuloy ang pagliliyab ng mga kamay ni Marlon Adolfo.
The ball pressure continues para sa Firefighters. Rina, what do you have for us here in the third?
Yes, Coach Ronnie, two things lacking para sa koponan ng Senate Defenders on that first half. Yung kanilang aggressiveness and heart in playing. That's why dito nga sa ating second half, ang sabi dito ni Attorney, the skill they need to minimize their turnovers, work harder on defense, step up together as a team. Every one of them is expected to be leaders inside the court. Put variation into play to avoid being predictable dun sa kanilang kalaban na BFP Firefighters. Ito naman si Coach Kenneth Duremdes, nakausap ko rin siya at sabi niya nga sa akin, I do not intend to hurt my opponent. Yun ang sinabi niya sa akin, and I respect the integrity of our technical committee. Pero kanina pa nga daw may humahawak dun sa kanyang braso at gusto lang daw niya yung fair na tawag sa kanya ng ating mga referees. That's it, Coach Ronnie and Coach Javi.
Ganyan talaga in the heat of the battle, Coach Javi. Minsan talaga, ibang ritmo. Pero syempre, ang ating mga game official, siyang hari pagdating dito sa mga tawagan.
Coach Ronnie, bigyan rin natin itong pansin itong si Egea. He has not been scoring well. It is at his first point of the game sa free throw. But yung pagtitimon, yung pagiging leader ng koponan, when you are a point guard, you are automatically the leader of your team on the floor. And so far, number 31 has shown he has not been scoring, but he has been leading his team.
Yung mga hindi kailangan score para maging epektibo. Yan yung hinahanap ng mga coaches. Yung may mga kontribusyon, maski hindi puntos.
Hindi ka inaagawan, na-execute mo yung play na gusto ma-execute ng coach. At hindi kayo nagmamadali. No sense of panic as we see the Firefighters right now.
Tama ginagawa ni Andaya. But he has to do it without giving up fouls dahil yan ang pang-apat.
One more and they're going to be in team penalty. Napakaaga pa natin sa third quarter. 8 minutes and 5 seconds remaining dito sa third.
And the Firefighters have to understand that if they can put away itong kupunan ng defenders, they have to do it right now. May kakayahan makabalik itong defenders. Pero yung kakayahan na yan ay malaking question mark. Gayong wala si playing coach Kenneth Duremdes sa kanilang hanay. But Marlon Adolfo says, that's not our problem. Even shooting the three ball is not a problem.
Pang-anim na, Coach Ronnie. First in the second half. 23 points. 8 out of 12 from the field. Husay.
75% from the three ball. Marlon Legaspi kinayod sa loob. Marlon Legaspi will be going to the line once again.
Amores with his fourth personal foul as Marlon Legaspi needs more of those in order for them to come back in this game. They are down 13 right now and he needs a lot more of those kinds of production coming from the former PBL MVP, Marlon Legaspi.
Husay talaga yan.
Drafted number 10 by San Miguel, the PBA. Misses both free throws.
Sakit yan, patuloy. Yung alat ng defenders from the free throw line. Under 8 minutes left here in the third.
Ganda naman nun.
Showing us his excellent footwork.
Ang ganda naman nun. Pumihit sa kaliwa, bumalik sa kanan, fade away shot.
Kasama pang head fade.
And Malaga, because of the pressure D na pinapakita ng Firefighters, unrelenting pressure being shown by the black shirts. Another turnover, another chance to score para sa Firefighters.
Marlon Adolfo kahanap ng bola. Pero si Bal throws that ball away. Baltazar against Egea. Good sprint down once again for the Firefighters. Baltasar extracting contact. Will go to the line once again.
Have to make most of this advantage by the Senate defenders. They have the height advantage against the Firefighters. The problem is just bringing the ball inside. And right now an end one opportunity, but Baltasar has to make this free throw. He is 1 out of 9 in this game. Make that 1 out of 10, Coach Ronnie.
Mahirap pag pumasok na sa isip mo na di mo alam kung itataas mo, itutulis mo, lalagyan pa ng backspin, ibabanda mo ba? And when a lot of questions arises when you're alone in that 15-foot line, naku, hirap. But Adolfo this time steps into the 3-point line at inatake niya yung depensa dito nung naka-stay home defense sa kanya.
Because of the 6 3-point shots na pinukul na ni Marlon Adolfo, the defense right now will close out long and will pressure him. Ang ginagawa na ngayon, tinitimpla na niya ang kanyang mga tira. Alam na ng kalaban na titira siya sa 3 points. What did he do? He went inside, fished a foul, made his first free throw, missed his second. 24 points in this game para kay number 10.
Tatakbo rito ang white shirts. Valencia rejected. Adolfo against Marlon Legaspi. Sprint down coming from Baltasar to help out. 6 minutes, 7 seconds left here in the third quarter. Who will pick up the slot of Captain Marbel in terms of scoring, in terms of leadership para dito sa defenders. Marlon Adolfo almost losing the basketball. Sibal, Rigea, Sablay, Licauti Garcia. Once again, excellent transition defense for the Firefighters. Good cover by Namia on Baltasar. Sibal
Nice pass.
with a forward pass to Hayona.
Overhead pass. One of the lost arts in basketball, that outlet pass from a rebound. As Valencia misses, Baltasar gets that offensive rebound and put back for the Senate defenders. They need more of those in order for them to get back in this game.
14 is the advantage for the Firefighters. Adolfo with 10 on the shot clock. Changes pace. He's fouled. Will go to the line once more for 2 free throws.
Penalty situation na ngayon para sa Firefighters, and it has been like that since the 8-minute mark of the third quarter.
At tatawag muna ng timeout dito ang defenders. Nag-aabol sila ng 14 puntos. .37. Almost the midpoint of the third. Adolfo continues to be the biggest thorn on the defense of the defenders. 25 solid points from Marlon Adolfo.
25 points, 6 out of 8 from the 3-point area, 3 rebounds, 2 steals, 1 block.
Tapos na? Para meron pa.
Parang meron pa. At lahat na ginagawa. Nag-miss tulang Steph Curry. Coach Ronnie. Ang
Kombinasyon
shooting niya, 75% from the 3-point area. 6 out of 8. Nakabigat.
Useless foul by Sibal on Tata Marata.
He was trying to jump. Ito surprise dapat itong si Tata Marata. Para ma-pressure siya, maagawan ng bola. Kaso lang napingwit siya ng foul. At bola mapupunta ulit sa Senate defenders.
Namia, finrant itong si Baltasar.
Penalty situation now for the Firefighters. But again, Baltasar has been struggling from the line. He has 11 points. Coach Ronnie, 5 out of 9 from the field. But he is 1 out of 10 for 10% in this game. Another miss. 1 out of 11 right now for Baltasar. 2 out of 12 for Baltasar for 16%, cutting down the lead to 15. Another foul by Garcia, another pair of free throws na bibigay ngayon sa Firefighters as the defenders have been in team penalty since the 8-minute mark of the fourth
Grabe.
quarter. And things are looking really bright for the Firefighters. Their game plan so far up to this point has been superb. They have executed very well the strategy. And right now, Igea makes 1 out of 2 to up the lead to 16 points.
These two teams have shot a combined 44 total free throws already, Coach Abby. And we have just crossed the halfway mark of the third.
And another foul, another pair of free throws as both teams right now are in the penalty. Speaking of the free throw percentage, Coach Ronnie, Firefighters are 50% from the free throw area, 9 out of 18. Samantala, ang Senate Defenders, 34%, 9 out of 26. Make that 9 out of 27. Coach Ronnie, napakabigat ng mga mintis. If they could only have shot half of those misses, could have been a different story. Back-to-back misses again for the defenders. As 9 out of 28 right now from the free throw area. Has been really a struggle, to say the least, para sa defenders from the 15th-foot line. Nice pass coming from Malaga. Seal by Baltasar. 2 points para sa defenders. 14-point lead pa rin ang hinaharap ng Senate.
Bumitaw na sa 2-3 zone defense ang defenders. Nakatao na sila. Sibal tried to go for that offensive rebound. At binangga ni Baltasar pero hindi matatawagan. Barrera between Malaga and Gea. Nice double coming from Sunga. Sibal with an escape tap.
Oh!
Grabe naman yung struggle dito ni Sibal sa larong ito.
Tutukan na, Coach Ronnie,
Oo.
all alone. But naisalba pa niya kahit papano ang kanyang sarili, forcing a jump ball. Ball possession mapupunta sa Black Shirts. Knockout play. Knockout play para dito kay Sibal. Upping the lead to 16. Pressure D is on and it has been on ever since the first quarter.
Unang field goal ni Sibal sa larong ito. 3 points so far para kay Sibal. And again, 2 free throws.
Get to free throws for Baltasar. Maulit natin, Coach Ronnie, he has been really struggling from the 15-foot line. 2 out of 12. 10 misses now for Baltasar. Swak na swak. Unang tira ni Baltasar from the free throw area. Misses the second.
Sibal again almost losing that basketball. Ayona with a difficult runner para sa Firefighters. Malaga against Sibal. Taken
Loses
away
the
by
ball.
Hayona. Chase down coming from Malaga. Hayona out of control again once again. Sibal hits nothing but air.
But that was a foul by Golding. Sibal almost losing his balance. Buti na lang, na-foul siya ni Golding that time around. Well, through to the line. Sibal in today's game, 50% from the line, 1 out of 2. He is struggling from the field, 1 out of 6. 3 points in this game for Sibal.
That's a big-time struggle for one of the key players for the Firefighters.
But then again, Coach Ronnie, they're up 15, missed by Sibal. It has been the defense. No matter what, how many turnovers they have committed in this game and how many free throws they have missed, it has been their defense keying their run.
Once again, quick sprint down for the Firefighters. Golding, walang bumabantay. Tata Marata feeds Marlon Legaspi underneath. And again, 2 free throws. Sibal will be called for his fourth foul. Ginoong checking in for Golding. Centeno giving Sibal a break.
Talking about Baltasar struggles from the line, Marlon Legaspi has not scored from the free throw line. 0 out of 4 in this game.
They are 10 of 30 from the free throw line. The Firefighters on the other end, 10 of 20. So that's a combined 20 of 50.
Bilis ng mat nun, Coach Ronnie.
Oo, zero yung nasa dulo. Madaling pagsamahin.
I'm not mistaken, that is the first back-to-back hits from the free throw line from the Senate defenders in this game alone.
56-43. 37 here in the third. Gutierrez ang siyang point guard ngayon for the Black Shirts. Centeno fighting for rebound. Marlon Legaspi prevails. Garcia overshoots the mark. Parang sloppy yung nakikita natin na laro, no, Coach Andy?
Both teams have not found their rhythm here in the third quarter, Coach Ronnie, but zone defense ang ngayon papakita ng Firefighters.
That's an
Offensive foul. Offensive foul as Marlon nagpassing push to gain space. Kurt Amores right now coming back. He has 4 personal fouls.
Malaga is not inside right now para dito sa white shirts. Marlon Legaspi also will be getting a rest. Trying to get ready for the fourth quarter, si Attorney Dasil. But right now they are behind by 13 points.
Oh!
Almost a turnover. Dan staying home at Marlon Adolfo. Shot clock is down to 7. Gutierrez waiting for a foul. Chan to Tatamarata. Tatamarata getting a ball screen.
Offensive foul by Tan that time around. Not yet. Moving pick. Para dito kay Tan.
Opensa ng Senado parang naulila sa pagkawala ni Captain Marbel. There is no third quarter. Parang box and one. Depensa rito. White shirts on Adolfo. Adolfo with the floater. Tamarata on the return play. Again, we'll go to the line.
4 on 2 break. Whenever you have that advantage, you wanted the ball to be passed around. But Tamarata got lucky that time around as he got fouled. 2 free throws for number 30.
Kailangan maintindihan ng Firefighters. Pag tigil ng laro, mas pabor yan sa Senate defenders.
Yes. At swerte na sila, Coach Ronnie, because the defenders have been struggling from the line.
Sobra. Sa dami ng binigay mo, baka mamaya singilig ka niya.
Yes, that this is not a one game for the Firefighters. Yes, they're up by 13, but there's still one more quarter and 1 minute and 24 seconds remaining here. So 11 minutes and 24 seconds remaining in this game. So a lot of basketball left. So the Firefighters cannot afford to relax.
At sabi ko nga, Coach Harvey, yung pace na yan ay pabor sa Senate defenders kasi nakakapahinga sila at natitigil ang flow ng laro. Adolfo looking for a friend. At patatawagan naman ang foul sa kabilang banda. Itong si Tan.
That is another trip to the free throw line for Adolfo. Leading scorer of the game from both teams rather. 27 points for number 10. Make that 27 pa rin as he missed his third free throw in this game. 5 out of 8 for Adolfo. Go along with 27 points.
Yeah, has nearly 50% of their total output. finished the first half with 20, talking about Marlon Adolfo. Sipag ng firefighters dumipensa. No? Match up agad para makapressure.
Full court press kagad, Coach Ronnie. Nice pass by Baltasar. Big to big passing. Interior passing pinakita ng defenders. 10 na lang po ang kalamangan ng firefighters as 40 seconds remaining left in the third.
Former slapman ng UP Fighting Maroons. Some years back. And again, a shooting foul. This time coming from Malaga.
Bench of Senate defenders telling Malaga not to foul, especially not to foul itong si Adolfo.
Mamaya bibilangin natin kung ilang fouls na dito sa larong ito. 49 total fouls, Coach Abby.
Bilis mo bilang, Coach Ronnie.
Kita ko PF.
Bilis.
22 turnovers, defenders versus the 11 of the firefighters. 34 rebounds for the defenders versus only 13 para sa firefighters.
29 points now for Marlon Adolfo in this game as he makes 1 out of 2.
That was a flying elbow by Tata Marata on the face of Figueya. Binong, the recipient of another drop pass.
Foul. Foul ang matatawag sa firefighters. So Malaga will troop to the line for another pair of free throws.
Free throws number 59 and 60 coming up. Able to get inside
Free throws.
the
Stop.
defense. Oo.
Free throws stop the clock.
Tama
Rest
ang
their
tawag.
players. And at the same time, stops the momentum of the team leading in this game. If you are the firefighters, you do not want to get a lot of shots from the free throw area for the defenders.
Right now, this is only a 10-point advantage para sa firefighters.
Traveling violation ang may papakita ni Gea. Signs of life right now for the defenders. 5 seconds remaining in the third.
Last possession para dito sa white shirts. Ganda ng sundo ni Centeno. And that will preserve a 10-point lead for the firefighters as we approach the final period. Last push para dito sa defenders. Unti-unti silang dumidikit. Unti-unting lumalapit. And the firefighters have to understand that they have to sense danger right away and sound the fire alarm as early as possible, Coach Abby.
For the firefighters, it's one simple thing. Do not get into team penalty early. For the Senate defenders, just like that, create a lot of turnovers, more opportunities to score, and make sure if they get fouled, make their free throws.
Defending without fouling. That is something that the firefighters have to do here in the final quarter. Amores, jumper from the line. Nothing there. Malaga pushing it to Garcia. Grabe naman yung offensive rebound. Ito Tamarata ron. Who ends up in the basketball? Teka, natanggal ang sapatos, Coach Happy. Akala ko bola lang ang pinagagawa.
Oo nga. At nahawak na ni Tata Marata ang sapatos. Baka nagandahan sa sapatos, Coach Ronnie.
Pwede.
Nagandahan sa sapatos.
Pwede.
Nagandahan sa sapatos.
Nasabi mo na.
Nagandahan sa sapatos.
Oh, tama. Tama ka na. Adolfo still.
Hindi pwedeng tama na to si Adolfo because grabe ang pinapakita. Dating FEU Tamaraw. But in the second half, he has been struggling from the line. Has
Shooting
missed
better from the 3, Coach Abby, compared to the free throw line.
6 out of 8 from the three-point area, 7 out of 12 from the free throw.
75% from the 3.
Maybe signs of fatigue, Coach Ronnie, as he
Pwede,
has
tama.
been really working hard for the Black Shirts. Garcia, the leak out and the finish.
Perfect
Cutting
pass.
down the lead to 8 points. It was once as big as 16. Let's see if this will be the final push na sinasabi mo, Coach Ronnie, for the defenders.
Ganda ginagawa ni Garcia kay Ikea. Ikea looking for an escape act. Centeno battled up.
Offensive
For
foul.
an offensive foul. It's all about playing smart. It's not enough that you play well in the first 3 quarters, and Amores will be called for his 5th and final foul.
Gandang reverse angle in our replay. Makikita natin yung clear-cut offensive foul na pinakita ni Amores. He had that possession already but chose to elbow the one defender and so reason, tik na yun.
Alam mo, maluwag ngayon ng siko rito sa laro, ano?
Kanina maraming lamok.
Oo.
Ngayon maluwag ang
Siko.
Oh!
Lot of contact once again. That'll be a pushing foul on Adolfo.
Again, one aspect of the game that has been consistent for the Firefighters has been their defense. But with their defense also, they have been in team penalty at early part of all our quarters here in this game. So they need to make sure that they don't fall into that trap once again. As they are still up by 8, make that 8 pa rin. Nice block.
Ganda ng recovery ni Hayona at Centeno.
Oh!
It's a wayward pass coming from Adolfo. Tama ka.
Kapagod na,
Might
Coach
be
Ronnie.
fatigue, oo.
Kapagod na. Grabe ang trinabaho ng bata. Number 10 has scored 29 points in this game. But 20 of those coming from the first half. He scored 9 here in the second. Another post play, another foul, another pair of free throws for the struggling Baltasar in this game. Yes, he has 15 points, 6 out of 12 from the field. But he is only 21% from the free throw area, 3 out of 14.
Still the struggle continues.
3 out of 15 right now for Baltasar. As support still coming from the bench for Baltasar after he missed that free throw. Makes the second, cutting down the lead to 7 with 7 minutes and 50 seconds remaining.
Garcia once again in a nice duel with Jaya. Kick out pass, Isibal. Adolfo against Malaga. Spins away. Will miss. Isibal running out of space. And the rally continues for the defenders. Masandaya will be sent in shortly.
Oh, foul. That will be the 4th team foul of the Firefighters. Next foul will be in team penalty. Yan yung sinasabi natin, Coach Ronnie. If you are in penalty, time stops. Then defenders rest. And they have free throws to boot. And Baltasar right now leading the way for the defenders minus Captain Marbel. It is down to 5 points with 7 minutes remaining here in the 4th. Nice pass coming from Adolfo. Centennial scoring.
Oh my.
Tata Marata with a sorry miss of a nice pass coming from Marlon Legaspi.
And this is more of the pace of the Firefighters. Oh! Someone is open.
3-on-2 advantage.
Legaspi eluding the last line defender.
5-point lead, Coach Ronnie.
Yes, it's grit and grind here in the fourth. Iona is a very good stabilizer for the Firefighters. Sibal still has not gotten on track up to this point of this contest. Adolfo
Nice.
Tulis sinks a mid-range jumper.
31 points for Marlon
31
Adolfo.
pa lang, ha? That's
31
half.
points.
That's half of their team's total output. Sablay sa tutukan si Marlon Legaspi.
Maraming ganun ng defenders. Coach Ronnie, tutukan na mintis. Nice pass. Nice pass.
And as we said earlier, this is the pace of the Firefighters. Back to a 9-point lead for the Black Shirts. Under 6 minutes left here in the fourth. At itong dalawang koponan, Coach Harry, patuloy ang bakbakan. Walang humpay ang dikdikan para sa isang importanteng panalo para sa kanilang pangarap na makarating ng malalim dito sa ating UNTV Cup 4th Conference.
One thing that is going for the Senate defenders, Firefighters right now are in team penalties. So all the fouls that are going to be committed by the Firefighters will result into free throws for them. Problem is though, they have been struggling from the line all game long. So let's see if they will continue to be aggressive in the offensive end. Samantala dito para sa Firefighters, they just have to make sure that they avoid useless fouls as they now are in team penalty. 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Yan ang sinasabi nating mga useless fouls. 90 feet from the basket. Don't commit fouls like that, especially if you're ahead. It stops the time. It gives rest to your opponent. At the same time, it gives 2 free shots to your to the Senate defenders. So not a good play coming off a timeout for the Firefighters. 2 free throws mapupunta sa Malaga.
That's frustrating for Coach Garcia. Difficult for them to build their lead once again up to 9 points, and then they give up 2 more free throws that far away from the basket.
Struggle continues for the defenders in this game.
Alam mo, pag napituhan ng isa pa itong si Sibal at mawala sa laro para sa Firefighters, may iba itong tema ng laro. Siya na lang halos yung natitirang malaki dyan eh.
At yun ang advantage ng Senate defenders.
Pero si Centeno, maganda rin ang ginagawa kay Baltazar kahit papaano. Sibal, nagsisilbing point forward para sa Firefighters. Adolfo with a recovery. Would have been a big three for Iona.
He has been key. He has been the key for the Firefighters. We were talking about number 10, Marlon Adolfo. 1 block, 2 steals, 4 rebounds, 7 out of 13. Make that 8 out of 14.
Kuha na yan.
6 out of 8 from the free throw area. 32 points, Coach Ronnie.
Nasukat na ni Marlon Legaspi.
Adolfo.
Marlon Adolfo. Sukat na. 10-point lead still for the Black Shirts. Malaga against Igea. Ginamta ni Adolfo. Tata Marata open. Nothing but
naman.
there. Legaspi with a put back. Lead down to 8. Iona calls for May post na para kay Sibal. Big side cut ni Adolfo. Agawan. Nagpasa tayo sa kalahati ng ating uling quarter. Tamarata. Short on that attempt. Marlon Legaspi attacking the body of Centeno will once again go to the free throw line.
Marlon Legaspi in this game, Coach Ronnie, 11 points, 16 rebounds. Another double-double performance for the former PBL MVP. But one Waterloo in this game so far has been the free throw area. Makes the first 3 out of 7 in today's game for Marlon Legaspi. This is the second, rather.
Ball pressure by Andayo Nigea. Centeno. Baltasar pushing the basketball to Malaga.
Nice pass and better finish for Ray Malaga as lead again is down 5 points. 4 minutes remaining here in this game.
Nabuhay na ng defenders yung hindi pangangayaw eh.
Bigat nun.
Hayona.
Bigat nun.
Hayona drills a dagger. Hayona, Coach Abby, ilan na ba yan? 15 na.
15 puntos. 75% from the three-point area, Coach Ronnie.
Excellent pressure on that inbound play. Forcing a turnover.
3 out of 4 from the three-point area itong si Hayona. At again, ang rason, pwedeng itong si Marlon Adolfo, but it has been their defense that has been key for the Firefighters in this game.
Fresh shot clock. Walang problema, sabi ni Marlon Adolfo. Quick trigger. Return play layup ni Malaga.
Hey, Malaga scoring again for the defenders. 12 points in this game for Ray Malaga.
Manipis ang mga tawag pero consistent naman na manipis. The players have to adjust. Early trigger earlier coming from Marlon Adolfo.
Both teams are in penalty right now, Coach Ronnie, with that foul of Baltasar. If you want to foul someone, better not foul itong si Adolfo. He has been cooking for in this game. 34 big points for number 10, the leading scorer from both teams.
Sukat to sakat.
Oh, those are the useless fouls. And ito si Sibal, Coach Ronnie, ang tinawagan ng foul.
Ako po.
Pinituan ng foul. At mababawasan ang mga lalaki ng Firefighters. This is far from over as it is just rather a 7-point lead.
Game on the line. You have to shoot well from the line.
Short.
Baltasar fighting hard. Baltasar has already scored 18 points. Pero napakaraming sablay from the free throw line.
5 out of 18.
Ayona blocked by Baltasar. No need to rush.
Yes.
They are ahead by 2 possession advantage.
Ang lamang dapat hindi nagmamadali. Talking about the Firefighters, 3 minutes left in this game, 18 seconds remaining the shot clock for the Black Shirts.
Adolfo once again taking a shot from the 3. Yan ang pinagtataka ko para sa Firefighters. Kaysa pagtrabahuhin nila sa depensa.
Yes.
Itong koponan ng defenders, they take quick attempts.
Back-to-back early shots.
Oh,
Coach
and they
Ronnie.
have been susceptible to transition attacks ng kalaban.
Another quick shot
With a lot
for
of
the
time.
Firefighters.
With a lot of time on the shot clock.
Oh!
Ayona redeeming himself with a takeaway.
And that foul again by Andaya will send itong si Hayona to the free throw area. Iona in this game, 15 points, 3 out of 4 from the 3-point area. This will be his first trip to the free throw line. A 6-point lead by the Firefighters. Make that 7 with 2 minutes and 42 seconds remaining in this game.
Solid as a rock. Itong si Iona. The door is still open for the defenders. It is only at 7 points. Marata crossing over the halfway line. Malaga with the ball fake. Good clear out by Baltazar for Malaga. It is once again down to 5. Adolfo will throw that ball away.
2 minutes and 14 seconds remaining as Adolfo and Tata Marata natatawagan ng double technical foul.
Coach Garcia talking to our game official, trying to help out Marlon Adolfo. Tandaan natin ang technical foul, Coach Harvey, ay isang personal foul.
Technical foul number 10, Marlon Adolfo. And technical foul number 30, Tata Marata for trash talking.
Yan ang sinasabi natin. 5 fouls si Marlon Adolfo. At mukhang 5 fouls na rin ba si Tata Marata? Pero mas tinamaan dito ang Firefighters.
Yes, oo. At nawala na nga si Amores, nawala si Sibal. At ngayon mawawala na ang leading scorer nila si Marlon Adolfo.
4 pa lang si Tata Marata.
That play of Tata Marata worked.
Kanina pa natin sinasabi na yung Firefighters hindi naiinis. Hindi napipikon.
Si Juan Garcia at Tata Marata dating magkakampi sa Fighting Maroons yan.
Ang liliit na nung nasa loob para sa Firefighters.
Yes, another foul, another trip to the line. Marlon Legaspi can trim this lead into 3. Just one possession, another player fouling out for the Firefighters.
And anytime the referees call a total of 61 fouls, Coach
Ay
Harvey,
magpa-foul out talaga, Coach Ronnie.
and anytime you award a total of 75 free throws, mauubos talaga yung mga players.
Alam mo na eh. But they are still in the lead. We're talking about the Firefighters holding on to that 5-point lead, and this has been killing the Senate defenders. Their free throw percentage down. Actually, it's up to 43. Kanina, 20% na po yan. 4-point lead. Going to the last 2 minutes of this game.
Pagod na rin si Ikea, no? Iona from the 3. Down by only 4 are the defenders. Malaga.
Oh, almost an end one opportunity for Malaga.
It's been 4 conferences called during the UNTV Cup. This is the most number of fouls I've seen called, and the most number of free throws awarded.
And Ray Malaga, Coach Ronnie, has spearheaded the cause of the Senate defenders in the 4th quarter. His timely drive to the baskets, and right now scoring from the free throw area, cutting down the lead to 3 points. He has been the key here in the 4th. Number 29, Ray Malaga. Missing, but getting the rebound again. Tata Marata for 3, no good.
This will be a foul on Baltazar. Natamarata looking for a home run. Kung matandaan, kung nakakita tayo ng deadlock dito sa larong ito, Coach Happy.
Wala pa, Coach Ronnie. At it will be a game of free throws right now, a battle of free throw right now of the two teams. Miss in the first try by Cartojano.
It was cruise control for the Firefighters at one stretch of the game. Not too many free throws they awarded. Suddenly, nabuhayan ng loob itong defenders.
Bigat yung free throw na yun ni Cartojano, making this a two-possession ball game. Oh!
Still 21 on the shot clock. But Hayona attacks. Here with the recovery.
But the turnover still by the Firefighters. Without Marlon Adolfo, they do not have someone, parang go-to guy na nila, Coach Ronnie, to give the ball and make things happen for them. Just trying to survive this game. They are still up by 4 points, but here come the defenders.
Hindi na maka-entry pa sa loob. Ito sa kabila. Kay Marlon Legaspi.
Nice spin. Nice block.
Big block. Big block. It's a big defensive stop by
Yes.
Cartojano of Marlon Legaspi.
It was a nice spin on the baseline by Marlon Legaspi. Nawala na ang kanyang defender. At itong si Cartojano timing it perfectly with that big time block. And Hayona right now trying to up this 4-point lead. Another miss. Door is still open for the Senate defenders. Takes the shot. 5-point lead for defenders. For the Firefighters rather. Defenders seize for time.
Quick to counter. Usap. Listen up. Usap. Hindi, listen up ha. Ta, hawak ka. Decoy ka na lang. Si Malaga tsaka si Christian. Decoy, bigay nyo kay Marlon. Quick to, Marlon. Tapos follow up, quick to ha.
Pag tumanggap si Marlon, mag-decoy naman kayo. Panoorin sa labas.
I-clear. Lumabas ka, Box. Kunwari tatakbo ka, Dogs. Tapos, foul.
May oras pa, wag muna.
Wala si Coach Kenneth Duremdes. Umabol ang Senate defenders. Nawala si Sibal. Nawala si Amores. Nawala ang scoring machine na si Marlon Adolfo. Pero hindi pa rin nawawala ang 5 puntos na kalamangan ng Firefighters laban dito sa walang pangangayaw na Senate defenders. Entry pass sa poste. Matatawagan si Centeno.
And that is a good play, a great play coming off the timeout na Krinokis ng Senate defenders. Marlon Legaspi in this game. 15 points. 40%
Wala na rin si
from the free throw
Centeno.
line. Wala na rin. Ubus na talaga. Ang bigs ng Fighters as they are really just clinging on to this lead, Coach Ronnie.
Ikaw, ilan na fouls mo?
37 fouls by the Firefighters, 25 fouls given by the defenders. Oh, short! Pero nakuha ang bola.
I believe this will be one big and 4 small players, I hope. Para sa Firefighters.
And the lone big will be Cartojano.
Tignan natin ang reaction ni Coach Garcia. Dahil talagang parang nauupos na kandila ang kanilang kalamangan. Wala nang timeouts ang defenders, Coach Abby. Samantalang itong kupunan ng Firefighters meron pang 2.
Palit daw ng bola. Madulas. Sabi ni Malaga.
Malaga shot well from the line. Only for 50% pala.
Oh!
21 of 50.
3-point lead.
Timeout muna rito ang Firefighters. Let's listen in.
Si Marlon, magsasalita. Si Marlon.
Walang papabuntay sa gitna.
Sa depensa to!
Sa depensa.
Sa baseline ba? Dalhin dito.
Box muna tayo. Bigay ng pick. Okay? Bigay ng pick, Jay. Labas. Julius, kuha ng bola. Okay? Kuha ng bola. Pag hindi yan, pag switch yan, open up. Jay. Okay yan. Pag wala yan, Aray. Last option sa'yo. Now, pag nakuha ko yung bola, okay, major tayo. Jong, dali mo sa one side, kanan mo. Aray. Angat. Last 5 tayo titira. Last 8 seconds tayo. Last seconds, ha. Last 8 seconds tayo titira. Major. Dito. Same side. Aray. Same side, ha. Go.
Will be the longest game of the conference so far. Hands down. And defenders looking for another steal of a win. Samantalang ang BFP trying to go for a wire-to-wire victory. 20 on the shot clock. I believe Hayona will be on the opposite of Igea. Set up. Nothing but the board. Morata. Wala nang timeout dito ang defenders. Morata. And the Firefighters will give up another foul to send Legaspi to the line.
See if Marlon Legaspi rescue his team right now. 2-point lead. 2 free throws for Marlon Legaspi. Misses the first.
If he misses the second, they have to block out. Talking about the Firefighters.
Yes.
Tignan mo kung gaano kalalaki itong defenders. Makes the second one. Lead is down to 1. Para sa Firefighters, tawag muli ng huling timeout si Coach Manny Garcia. Tingnan natin muli kung anong mapapakinggan at masisilip natin sa panig ng BFP.
Kunin mo, dumipensa muna tayo. Kunin mo yung barber.
Okay? Bigyan mo ng pick si Julius. Jay, huwag mo habulin. Ilugog mo muna, Jay. Lumabas ka. Julius, lumabas ka. Ilubog mo muna. Huwag mo habulin. Yung pick, Jay, huwag mo habulin. Now, tingnan mo, pag wala, Jay, open up. Nagsiswitch sila. Bibigay sa'yo yan. Pag wala, nag-open up, tanggal ka. RA, labas ka. Ikaw ang option dyan. Now, hindi nyo kailangan mo nakuha yung tumakbo.
Pare,
Harap lang.
pag tumigil ang kalaban na hawak yung bola, lapit ka na tayo. Wala lang palo.
Walang palo. Listen up, ha? Mabibigla yan, ha? Laban tayo sa base.
Kapag nakapag-dribble, foul. Kapag nakapag-dribble, foul.
Kasi mabibigla. Sabit.
A tale of two different coaches looking for the same ending, a win for their respective teams. A lot of voices, a lot of positive energy sa dalawang panig.
No more timeouts for both teams. As this is winning time. Firefighters up 1, 14 seconds remaining in this game.
At ang firefighters ay susubok maproteksyonan ang kanilang isang punto sa kalamangan as Marqueses will go to the line for 2 free throws. He was brave enough, Coach Abby, to get that basketball. Cool na cool.
Ganda ang follow through ni Marqueses in that free throw shot. But even if he makes a second, it's still a one possession game. Misses it.
Wala tangan ng defenders. Malaga. Stop.
Oh!
Ang ganda ng agaw ni Hayona ron. Gutierrez has to give up that basketball. Big stop. Big win by the firefighters against the Never Say Die team of the Senate Defenders. And eventually, this game is finally over. 2-point win for the BFP Firefighters, 74-72. Coach Abby, what a big win coming from the Firefighters.
Defense was the key with their good start. Defense saved the day for the firefighters. Gallant effort by the defenders, but a good performance, a good team performance by the firefighters.
At tignan natin kung ready na si kaibigang Ryan para sa napili ni Coach Abby, the player of the game. Ryan?
All right, thank you, Coach Ronnie and Coach Savi. And we have here our best player of the game. Congratulations sa BFP Firefighters. Kasama natin ngayon si Marlon Adolfo. Marlon, the last time na nakausap namin kayo, ang tinanong ko sa inyo, sino ang pinaghahandaan yung team sa lahat na makalaban sa pagpasok ng second round? Ang sabi nyo, Senate Defenders. How sweet is this victory for you?
Siyempre, sobrang sarap kasi siyempre, sobrang lakas ng team nila. Marami silang veterans. So, nung nanalo kami, grabe yung feeling talaga.
Ano naging adjustments ninyo? Kasi nawala dito yung ibang mga key players ninyo. Ano sinabi sa inyo ni Coach para makapag-adjust kayo sa game na to?
Wala naman kaming special na gagawin eh. Talagang defense lang talaga kami all throughout the game talaga. Yun lang.
Alright, sige, patiin mo na lahat ng gusto mong batiin ng mga fans ng BFP Firefighter.
First of all, maraming salamat kay Director Ariel Barayuga. Then, sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa BFP, sa mga friends ko sa Lamar, tapos sa Lopez family, Adolfo family, Perez family, Flores family, tsaka Ricasso family sa Maryland, tsaka yung birthday ng pamangkin ko si Eugene Mark Lopez. Yun lang.
Once again, congratulations sa BFP Firefighters at sa ating best player of the game na si Marlon Adolfo. And again, congratulations sa BFP Fire. Abangan sa aming pagbabalik, sisimulan na ang inabangang face-off ng run and gun teams ng Liga. Ang NHA Builders versus the ferocious MMDA Black Wolves. Huwag po kayong alis, magbabalik po ang UNTV Cup.